individual study plans are related to learning goals, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So I would like to ask you, have you related this lesson today to learning goals?
Yes. Earlier, before you came, I showed all my students what the goals are for this subject.
Okay.
This subject about environment, and I told them that we have to go around some subjects in the environment subject, and each and everything is going to last for about 5 days, is the goal. And the way we are going to split it up in some chapters,
yeah.
I told them and showed them which chapter we were going to come around.